Today I'm going to show you guys how to do a fantastic smoked crab with a seafood butter sauce. Pretty simple and fast, so let's get into it. Guys, welcome back to the channel. I am the Dawgfatha, and this is BBQ Boulevard with the Dawgfatha. Now, we are in the full throes of the holiday season. We just passed Thanksgiving. Christmas and New Year's is right around the corner. And you know what I say about that time of the year? Fantastic victuals are to be made. Now, one of the favorite things that I like to do during this holiday season is seafood, more particularly crab. I love crab. And if we add a little smoke to it, hey, it's loved even more. So that's right, guys. We're going to be doing a smoked crab with a butter sauce, a seafood butter sauce. But before we get into this, hey, if you're enjoying what you see on this Pit Boss channel, make sure that you're subscribed and you click that bell to get notified every time a video like this one gets uploaded to the channel. And make sure you go check out all of the content creators, because there's some fantastic cooks out there making some great video content. So go check it out. But hey, without further ado, let's get into this smoked crab. Let's go. All right, guys, so to get started on this recipe here, I've just got some Dungeness crab that I got from my local grocery store, and I got some in a pan. Now, what we want to do now is we want to develop some smoke flavor onto this. So we're going to take this Dungeness crab and we're going to get it onto our grill. Now, today I'm going to be using my Pit Boss Vertical 7 series for this cooking. Right now, we're going to be running at 225 degrees. Again, we're just trying to get a little smoke flavor into this crab. So let's get this crab onto the grill. Alrighty, nice little smoke action happening there. So we're just gonna place it on the grill just like this, and we'll let it go for a little while. All right, guys, so our crab is on to our Vertical 7 series here. And again, we're not gonna cook this to completion right now. We are merely just trying to add a little bit of smoke flavor into our crab, just to give it another level of flavor, another dimension of flavor there, if you will. And that's all we're gonna do. So we're probably gonna have it on here for, I don't know, maybe 15 minutes, maybe 20 or so. But in the meantime, let me ask you guys, holiday season, I know everybody has their favorites. I love seafood around the holidays. This is something you could pretty much do any time of the year, but I really love it around the holiday season. So it leads me to ask you guys, what are some of your favorite holiday traditions in food that you like to do and put on the grill? Pop that down there in the comments section for me and let's talk about it. Okay, so our crab has been going here on the grill for about 15 minutes or so. And as you can see, hopefully you guys can see that waft of smoke that came out of there. But again, we're just getting some smoke flavor into this crab. It's not too warm, so we're not, you know, in the neighborhood of overcooking it and making it a rubbery crab. So we can let it go a little bit longer. So tell you what, I'm gonna give it probably another, I don't know, 5 or 6 minutes before we move on and get our, you know, our seafood butter onto it. Okay, so as I mentioned, we're gonna put together a seafood butter to go on our crab. Super simple to do, very easy. All I did was take a saucepan, got some butter into it, and to that butter I added in some garlic. Now you can use garlic powder if you decide you want to do that, but I used fresh garlic, chopped it up, got it into this butter so that it can kind of infuse its flavor throughout the butter. And then I went ahead and added in some seafood seasoning. So added a little seafood seasoning, also added in some paprika, which helps give it that good rich red color that you associate with a seafood butter, if you will. And then we added in some crushed red chili peppers. Now we love the heat, and that's why we added the crushed red chili peppers. But if you're not a heat person, just omit the heat, omit the peppers, you'll be absolutely fine. Now we got that all mixed together, got that butter melted down, got everything incorporated. And then I went ahead and added in some parsley, just some chopped parsley goes into this, and then we just mix it through. Now if you find that you want to have more volume to this, you can make it into a buttery broth by adding some chicken stock or even seafood stock if you've got it. and that just gives it a little bit more volume. But for us, we kind of like to have just that good rich seafood butter to get on here, because it's not pretty when we start digging into this. It's a very good dish, but it's not the prettiest, if you know what I mean. We get our hands dirty and our faces and everything, so you understand what I mean. But hey, we're gonna give this just a couple more minutes. We're gonna get this off, we're gonna get our seafood butter on, and then we're gonna get it back onto the grill to finish off this cook. All right guys, so here we've got our beautiful crab off of our grill. We've let it smoke for about 20 minutes or so, just to get a little bit of smoke flavor into this crab. And now we're gonna get our seafood butter that we put together onto this crab. All right, so here is our seafood butter that we got put together. Very good, rich and red color to it here. And we're just gonna get this poured all over our crab here. All right, so just like that, we've got this all over our crab here. And I apologize if my pot is covering up what you guys are being able to see there, but hey, we've got this all on here. And I'm just kind of spreading this around a little bit. And again, if you wanted to make more volume to this, feel free to add some, some stock to it. But this is going to be just fine for us. All right, so we've got this on here, and then all we're going to do is cover this in foil. And we're going to get this back to the grill. Now back on the grill we go. Right now we've got our grill kicked up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're just gonna let this crab just kind of steam away in its own juices along with that butter. And hey, I'll bring you guys back here in a while once it's finished. All right, guys, we've been going here with this crab for about 35 minutes or so. And we're just gonna kind of take a look. Smells good. It's got that good, rich seafood smell going on here. So we're gonna pop this open and just kind of take a look. And yeah, that's what we're looking like right there. It's coming along nicely. So we're gonna go ahead and get this off the grill and get this prepped for consumption time, baby. All right. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get this uncovered and show you how we're gonna finish this off. All right, so there we go. Man, this smells phenomenal already. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna get some more seafood seasoning, and we're just gonna kind of sprinkle some just all over, because after all, we're gonna be sucking on this crab. I told you it's not gonna be pretty once we start digging into it. But we got a little bit more seafood seasoning on here. And then we're just gonna kind of top it off with some more fresh parsley. And then we've got some lemons here that we're just gonna make sure we get put in here for everybody to be able to grab onto some lemon and squeeze some around if they want some. So just like that, we've got our smoked crab and our seafood butter ready to go. All right, so I'm gonna grab some of this lemon here, give a good squeeze, and get a little lemon juice all over this crab here. And it's time to go in to taste this, because man, I can't wait any longer. So I'm gonna just break a little piece off here. And you got all this butter down here, guys. And I mean, that's the good stuff right there, I'm telling you. But yeah, let's go ahead and test this out here. All right, there we go. Cheers. Oh man, oh, this was so good. Oh my goodness, damn. And I didn't even get into like the crusty bread to dip into this butter sauce. This is not gonna be pretty, guys. Well guys, there you go. Smoked crab with a seafood butter. Easy peasy on the Pit Boss grills. Hopefully you guys will give this one a try. And if you do, make sure you pop that in the comment section down there. Let us know you tried out this recipe and how it worked out for you. But anyway, hey, I'm gonna get out of here. I got some crab to get into. Happy holidays to you guys. Enjoy your cooks out there, and we'll see you in the next one. Dawgfatha's out with the crab. Peace.